Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online class of Shohid Cadet Academy, main campus to Uttara Dhaka. Today, online class will be Chapter 5 Algebra. Chapter 5 Algebra from the book of class 7. From the book of class 7. Chapter 5 Algebra from the book of class 7 Mathematics. So you are advised to collect the math copy. From market. In this chapter, that means chapter 5 Algebra, very important chapter for you, especially for the students of cadet batch. You have to understand properly this chapter, and at first you have to memorize these important two formula 1, formula 2, very important in your life. Formula 1, formula 2, and you should memorize right now. Formula 1, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Formula 2, a minus b whole square. Formula 2, a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Almost same. Difference is here it is plus, here it is minus, and after apart from this all are equal. Apart from this all are equal. Formula 1, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Formula 2, a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the most important formula. These two formulas, very important. You have to memorize properly. You have to memorize well. Formula 1, formula 2. And now, by using these two formulas, I will solve some important maths. From exercise 5.1. From exercise 5.1 of class 7 book. Of class 7 math book. Exercise 5.1. I will solve some important maths using these two formula. Exercise 5.1. The first questions are determine the square with the help of formula. That means these two formula you have to use now. Use now these two formula. Determine the square. It is called square. A plus b whole square is square. A minus b whole square is square. A minus b whole square is square. Determine the square with the help of formula. These two formulas. Question number 1. A plus 5. So now we should determine the square. A plus 5. So we have to make a square of a plus 5. A plus 5. We have to make a square. We have to determine the square. Question number 1. A plus 5. So we should make a square. The square of a plus 5. The square of a plus 5 equal to a plus 5 whole square. And this is the point we have to solve. Square. Question a plus 5. So the square of a plus 5. The square of a plus 5 equal to a plus 5 whole square. So a equal to a, 5 equal to b, then a plus b whole square. That means a plus b whole square. Formula 1. We have to solve this question by using formula 1. Suppose a A 5 equal to B. If we get 5 equal to B, then A plus B whole square. Then A plus B whole square. That means formula 1. That means formula 1. A equal to A, 5 equal to B. Then we get A plus B whole square. Then we get A plus B whole square. That means formula 1. A plus B whole square. So for A plus B whole square, we will write A square plus 2AB plus B square. A plus B whole square, for A plus B whole square, we will write A square plus 2AB plus B square. That equal to A square. So we get A square plus 2AB, 2AB, that means multiply 2 into A equal to A, B equal to 5, B equal to, we will write 5, 2AB, A square plus 2AB plus B square, B equal to 5, so we will write 5 whole square equal to B square. So A plus B whole square. Now we write A square plus 2AB, B equal to 5, 2AB plus B square, B equal to 5 square. I think you understand. This is the use of formula. And we use now formula 1. So if we calculate equal to A square, that means A into A equal to A square. A square plus 2 into A into 5, 5 into 2, 10 into A, 10 into A equal to 10A, 10 into A equal to 10A, plus 5 square means 5 into 5 equal to 25. So we get 25, and this is the answer. A square plus 10A plus 25. By using the square of this question, we get A square plus 10A plus 25, and this is the answer. Now question number 2. In the same way you have to complete. But 5x minus 7, we have to determine the square. So the square of 5x minus 7, the square of 5x minus 7 equal to 5x minus 7 whole square. 5x minus 7 whole square. So if we get 5x equal to A and 7 equal to B, 5x equal to A, we get 5x equal to A and 7 equal to B, then A minus B whole square. Then we get 5x equal to A, suppose 5A equal to A and 7 equal to B, then we get A minus B whole square. That means formula 2, A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. So A, suppose 5x equal to A, 7 equal to B, then A minus B whole square. That means we have to use formula 2. So A square, A equal to 5x. So A square equal to 5x whole square. 5x equal to A, suppose, then A square will be 5x square minus 2AB, 2AB, that means 2 into A equal to 5x into B equal to 7, minus 2AB, then plus B square, B equal to 7 whole square, B equal to 7, so we will write 7 whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. According to question, we get 5x square minus 2 into 5x into 7. That means minus 2AB plus b square, that means 7 whole square, b square, according to question. So if we calculate 5x, that means 5x whole square, that means 5x into 5x equal to 25x into x square, 25x square, minus 2 into 5, 10 into 7, 70, 70 into x, 70x, minus 70x plus 7 whole square, that means 7 into 7, 49. So we get 25x square minus 70x plus 49, and this is the answer, and this is the answer, and this is the answer. There are two formula using we solve two math, and this is the system to determine the square. Very important, you have to practice again and again.